You just set the alarm off.
Oh, really? Shit. All right with me.
Hey, man, appreciate the demo. Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. All right. Are these 12s?
12. U-Series 12.
U-Series, okay. And where's your amp?
Taxi. I can show you.
Okay. All right. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. Pretty impressive to see 212 setting some alarms off. You're going to see in the demo and at the end the vehicle that was going off just from playing his system. Well, pretty much how loud these 212s were. So if you haven't already, give him a like. He did a good job showcasing it at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia in 2021 is where I recorded this system at. And I hope you're enjoying the video so far. So he has a prefab box, I noticed. Not the most efficient box, but he got the job done. I'm going to assume it's a prefab by the size. I've usually seen 212s being a little bit bigger box than that, but that got the job done. And he didn't tell us how powerful the amp was, but this is a 2,000 watt RMS amplifier from Audiopipe on the left. And it's a 2,000 watt peak power 4-channel Autotech amplifier. He was pushing for his mids and highs. Noticed during the demo that he had a really good balance of music quality with the bass, so it wasn't just distorted, and you could hear all the lyrics with the way the door pods were set up. So he has 1,500 watt RMS subwoofers, so definitely underpowered on this amplifier, but it did get the job done, and it was setting some alarms off. So I do have a question for everybody. If you've ever set an alarm off, let us know in the comments. Have you ever set any kind of alarm off from bass, subwoofer playing? I know I have a few times, and it was fun at first, and then after a while you think, man, you might get in trouble from it. But anyway, we're going to get to the car audio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy. Pretty impressive. Look at the demo. All right.
Pussy, but my kiss her ass. Gave a couple bands to the
Took a couple L, got my head high. Had to focus on my future, get my bread. Smoking all the time, keep my head high. Spending all that money when I feel like money cut off because she still like me. I done for the money, cut it away. I'm trying for you, never find another nigga like I made everybody wish what they need. I paid all my dues, fees. You might not get like me, but do it right there. Do it on the hit stand, do it on the dick. Baby, make it ice cream when I'm a spit. Baby, make it stop, pop, ain't always bumpin' on that fuck shit, you don't do the look. Trust my brain when you ran out of zip block. Hold on, back and forth, fumble in the tip top. GLB the only thing that's keeping me out on failure. I made everybody wish what they need. I paid all my dues, no late fees. You ain't like me, do it right there. Do it on the hit stand, do it on the dick. I've been having bad dreams, I've been seeing Freddy coming back. I told my young step it up, Scott, do the same thing for me and my cooler kid. No hesitation if a nigga wanna pop me, I ain't playing, I'ma shoot it dead. Power extra long when I wanna end. Couple niggas on for the day bad. Good Lord, I'll never outfold her, now time to go up. Push nigga, you a hoe, but when folk call roll, you gon' have to show us. 50 for the what, 50 for the what, 50 for the hit, man, too. Put a fake on your head, little boy, now to show you what a hit, man. That's a Hall of Fame, I can get it bad. I might fuck that pussy, but my kiss it ass. Gave a couple bands to the trigger man. Told him kill him all, time to get him back. Put him on the shell, let them miss his ass. Home gon' transact with no little man. All these puppet says I'm on the red light. Took a couple L, we on my head high. Had to focus on my future, get my bread right. Smoking all the time to keep my head high. Spending all that money when I feel.
You just set the alarm off.
Oh, really? Shit. Follow me.
Hey man, appreciate the demo.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Hey,
Appreciate
what
you.
about your battery? Is there a battery alternator?
Big 3 upgrade.
Big 3, that's it? Stock
yeah.
up? Okay, appreciate it.
No
Just
problem.
curious. You have a good day, man.
All right, you too.
Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.